Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. This is my weekly update on the Caspa earning and GPU earning for last week. It's kind of late update, but anyways, today is Tuesday 1/16 and we're gonna be doing update for between January 8 and 14, the last week of between Monday and Sunday on mining for Caspa and GPU mining. So let's take a look at Caspa price. It's ranking on coin market cap at number 38. It's been holding 11 cents pretty well, and 2.5 billion market cap so far here. And on the CoinGecko, it's actually on 40, place 42.5 billion. Same way. Is it? Yeah. Wow. Okay. The volume 18 million. So let's take a look on the other coins that it's pumped this week just now. So we have on the Caspa, what do we have here? Can we see Caspa? Yeah, it's kind of right there. It's in the green at least. And surprisingly, we have honey being pumping. So there is announcement on the Discord channel that Coinbase possibly gonna list honey. And so it's gonna be, for Hivemapper, it's gonna be a big deal, because I think the price of honey will grow pretty, maybe significantly. It's already like 10 times up in the last like 2-3 months, I think. And it's still like ranging, where is it? Like it's probably 400s. It's still very, very low on the ranking on CoinGecko. Let's check it out. Where is it? It's the 294 actually. It's been over 350, something like that. So it does still like have only market cap of 180 million, close to 180 million, and it was about probably 100 million, 120 million just a week ago. So let's take a look on Caspa hash rate. So what do we have? Our prediction was that it's gonna grow a lot faster, but they're probably slowed down process because of the Asics still not available on the Iceriver website, and even KS0 Pros being in and out, so it's still out, sold out showing. Let's refresh. Yeah, it's still sold out as the last video update. And all the other Asics sold out, so maybe that is kind of delaying. They're waiting maybe for Caspa price to kind of go up before they can start selling for this price or have another price drop. So we don't know what's going on there, but hash rate overall been holding around 140 almost entire week. So let's take a look at our earnings for last week of the January 8 through 14, and you could see we started 139 pentahash, and it's been 137, 138, 140, 140, 140.8, and 139 on Sunday. So we started 139, finished 139. It was jumping up some few days, but overall it's kind of like in the same range, although I have a little bit less Caspa on Sunday. Probably was doing something with my Asics. I don't know, maybe this guy's resetting or anything. Anyway, so we pretty close to 2000 Caspa a day from all of my Caspa farm, which is 7K0 Pros, 6K0 Original, and the KS3 and 2 KS3M right now, which is KS3L with updated board. Yeah, last day on Sunday these two ASICs did not perform really well, so I kind of switched them around. I think I started to with this one on hum pool just to see if it's gonna perform any better on the hum pool. Average I have 506 on my second one, and on the first one I have 509 a day, 509 cas per day, and the KS3 doing 753 in average last week. I know what's your numbers there in average for KS0s in average doing about 7 cas per. My on the hum pool I'm doing a little better, and then on the K1 pool 686 for those three. That's per each KS0, and then I doing 2539 average a day with my KS0 Pros. And the range of the I have one for 340 gigahash overclocks, most of them 280 gigahash, and two more on 320 and 300. So basically mixed of different overclocking. I'm still waiting for some heatsinks. By the way, they just came a larger heatsinks 10 by 10, which I'm gonna do, and I'll be doing the video on that. And also I was a little busy with my repasting my thermal paste on the KS3M, because my first one, after I check with the tools, Iceriver monitoring tool, I had a really big issue with one of them over on number one, yeah, KS3M number one. It was over 100 on board 2, was over 108 the temperature on the chips 31 and 32. And when I open it, guys, I've seen the plastic tape that it's applied on those chips. It was reversed, and it was covering several chips, including probably this too, that it's causing overheat of this chip. So make sure when you do repasting, pay attention if that plastic cover sticker, it's kind of like a sticker there covering around the chips, not reversed, so it's not covering your chips. Okay, so let's go back and check on our GPU. What do we have here? We've been doing the lithium. Actually, I moved for KLS all these 48 GPUs here. So, and I stopped mining KLS Carlson for a little bit, so I'm doing the lithium, PYI, Pyrene, and AIPG power grid, and on Just Miner I'm doing power blocks. So let's see what we have. So beginning of the week it was a lot better, because the lithium we could do like a 14 on this 48 GPU, and then it was keep on going down every single day because it was profitable. I guess the hash rate went up as crazy. But look at the price of lithium. It also went from 2.5 to 250 down back to 2, and then come back to 250 by the end of the week. It's kind of crazy how price of lithium went from just probably around 20 cents a couple months ago to $2.50. So 10x in about 2-3 months, I believe. Correct, if I'm correct. So yeah, that's what causing this the Caspa being profitable now. But obviously you could mine a lot more Caspa 3-4 months ago with the same amount of GPU. So that's how it goes. Kind of late in that, trying to catch up there. I was mining lithium before, but 7 months ago, which was a lot better, doing a lot better on GPU in terms of mining coins, quantity of coins. So for Pyrene, it's been, yeah, so I think the hash rate going down because Pyrene caused dropping down from 4 cents to 3.2 cents, and so the rewards going up in terms of coins from 680 on the same 47 GPU to 820 in So a little bit actually more even in the value of the dollar value. And then again for AIGP, looks like it's been the hash rate been decreasing, so we had a little bit more in AIGP also as well. Just miner doing pretty good on power blocks. They went up a little bit, but I think they dropped. I need to be honest, let me update this pricing here, because I updated yesterday. I was trying to record the video, but then I did a lot of time spent with that replacing the hashboard thermal paste. So let me update that real quick. Alright, so I updated this pricing here for these coins that we mine, and let's take a look one more time last week for GPU right here. Just gonna zoom in real quick. Alright, so on the dollar amount, obviously we dropped by a lot for lithium because the profitability went so much, difficulty of the pools probably went so much higher, and the price of coin, even though it's went for 250 to now it's 234, and it was end of the week 250, so it's still a lot less by the end of the week. And then in the Pyrene, and so is Pyrene is actually did a little bit better. Obviously the price of Pyrene went down, and at the end of the week 32 cents, and now it's about the even less, 2.9 cents. 3.2 was the end of the week. So let's see what else we have here. And yeah, looks like a little bit better we're doing on power blocks by the end, so a little more rewards. I guess the pool difficulty probably reduced, so the just miner doing still fine on heating up the room. And after power we still doing a little bit of money there, probably about $7. So overall, for all total profits after power, it's from $216 on Monday to $210, $6 difference, so not very huge compared to the previous weeks before the before we had block reward reduction on Caspa. So it was 100, we were doing 380 to 320, it was $60 different just in 1 week, and before it was 400. So yeah, it's just crazy how quickly stuff changes on the network. But anyway, beginning of the week we are still kind of low, and majority of that because of my I think because I spent a lot of time yesterday just to do this KS3Ms, put in fruition designs, and then I did another spend on the first one to do repasting my the thermal paste. So that's gonna be a separate video. Just check it out when it's come out, probably in hopefully today or maybe tomorrow, and you'll see how I did repaste and what temperatures I got on my mining Iceriver monitor. Pretty good temps right now on that. No, that's KS3. On my KS3M now I am doing pretty well right there. So all the temps are below close to 80 degrees now on the highest temperature, and the average in about 70. So check it out my videos, and on this one we're gonna finish. We'll see you on the next one.